Hey, coaches. All right. So today we're talking all things challenge group. And I wanted to just kind of talk to you a little bit about creating excitement before you actually begin. Because I know that we talk about inviting and, reaching out and making sure that we are helping 3 people each and every month. But how do you get people to notice that you're even, running challenge groups? How do you get people to reach out to you? So let me show you a little bit about how I do that and how, I plan around that, because if you know me, you know that I am organized and that I run around systems. So if I'm looking at my month and it's the middle of April, I know that I'm going to run a challenge group the beginning of May. And so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to sit down at my computer and I am going to create an event. And so if I go over here to events, and at the top here where it says create event, I'm going to create a public event. Now we want it public because we want everybody in the world to come to our challenge group, right? Now, you do not have to have a like page. It can be ran from your personal page, okay? Mine's going to default to my like page anyway, but you can run it from your personal page. I'm going to show you how to do that. You can link yours to your like page and it be just one single event instead of 2, and I'm going to show you how to do that. I really, really like that feature as well. So now that you have your public event, I'm going to show you how to get this thing started. All right, so now you need a fun graphic, right? So here's what I do as far as that's concerned. I like consistency where this is. So I pop over to Google and I find some type of fun graphic. So, it's May. I like to target moms. And so I just Google, image of woman wearing a Fitbit. And I look for something that catches my eye, because more than likely, if it's going to catch my eye, it's going to catch the eye of, my avatar. So I'm going to click on images and then scroll down to find something that I find appealing. And so when I was looking earlier, I found this picture of this woman, at the beach working out. She's got a nice, cute tank top and really cool leggings. So I like this. So I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to save that image. And this is what I'm going to use all month long for any marketing that I have, for any challenge group. Every time somebody sees this picture, they're going to remember that it's Mandy's challenge group. So I'm going to use it all month long to market. So now I'm going to come over to Canva. I'm going to create my graphic. All right. So for time purposes, I've already created this. Now, basically what I have done, I'm actually just going to show you by making a copy of this and showing you just a couple of the things that I've done here. If you don't know how to use Canva, someday soon I'll make a video of that. If not, you can just YouTube some videos on how to use Canva. Super user-friendly. I absolutely love it. So what I usually do is you're just going to come over here to uploads. Any picture that you have on your computer, you can upload. And so you'll see where I've uploaded her 100 times. And you just move it over, to where you need it. Now, you can crop anything out. I didn't use her full body photo. I just used the portion that I needed, whatever that was, and cropped her. And so I'm going to delete her old photo. And, I just used what I needed. I typically will blur or fade out, however you want to say that. It just looks more professional. And then, I put my my text, what I need, and then I download it, save it. Easy. Don't spend a whole lot of time there. I tend to, because I'm a perfectionist. Don't be me when it comes to that kind of stuff. So let me make sure. I don't think I saved this one. So I'm going to make sure I download this one. because this is the photo we're going to use for our event, our public event that we're going to really talk about our challenge group. All right, so now I've got it. So now I'm going to add this event photo. This is the event I'm going to use. All right, so I'm going to move her over. Mommy Boot Camp beginning May 1st. All right, the event name, of course, is Mommy Boot Camp. And then location, I always put in your own home. And just use in your own home, except I don't want that capitalized. Okay, now I'm starting it. We'll go ahead and start it today, and we'll finish it. And I'll tell you why, okay? Now, on this description, I already have it wrote up, okay? Calling all moms. Basically, what the description is, talking about what a challenge group is. Now, it's my story. You know, it's my story of what this has done for me. You know, my weight loss, but not just on the outside, on the inside as well. You know, I hope you join me. Your life will change. Now, I always tell them at the end, you know, this is a paid challenge that will require you to invest in yourself, but the return on your investment is out of this world. Simply because I've been a coach for a while, and I'll get people that just want to join for free. So I always put that in there. And then like keywords, I'm going to put mom. Well, let me. Okay, so let's put fitness, general, put physical fitness. Let's put nutrition. And let's put, that's good for now. Posting, anyone can post. All right, yeah, I don't want to have to approve post. All right, so we're going to create this event. All right, that photo is going to drive me nuts. I'll have to change it later. But, all right, so you've got this event going on. It starts today. All right, the challenge group doesn't start today, but the event starts today. And so, you know, the people that I've been talking to, that I've been inviting, that are on the fence about whether they want to join a challenge group or not, I'm going to invite them to this. Now, how do I invite them to this? Well, the people I've been forming, that I've been talking to, I can invite them through here by inviting friends. Now, here's what you don't do. Don't go through here and start clicking a bunch of names of people you want to invite, because that's shady and salesy and gross. Okay, don't do that. But what you can do is, like my friend Jackie, I've been talking to her. She wants to join. She told me she's ready to join for next month. Angie's in my challenge groups, and she will be repeating for May. She's already told me that, so I can click on her, you know, and so I can invite these people, and I can just send an invite. Now, those are people that I talk to, that I know. Now, I'm not just going to go click on all friends and invite 500 people. Okay, don't do that. Invite people that you know, that you're having conversations with. Now, I'm also going to click these three dots here, I believe. Is that where? Add it to my page. I'm adding to my page the Naked Truth. And that's where I'm going to add the event there, because now it's going to add it to my like page. That way, if I want to run an event, I can, or not, I'm sorry, run an ad, I can. And then it's listed as an event on my like page. So for those of you that do have a like page, you're welcome. Okay. And so it's also listed here on my public personal profile for those of you that don't. So, you know, you would just go to, I don't even know how to go to events. Oh yeah, home. Events. And then the events that I'm hosting, I guess. Yeah, hosting. Here. And that's it. So here's what you do. You post in this group every day. here's what we do. We have a script, and it's in our Divine Legacy drive. And we have, that was the description that I wrote. We have what we do, either, like a blitz, like a 1 day, 1 night, 1 hour thing where we talk about challenge groups. What are they? Give some of our clients before and afters, our own before and afters, show what Shakeology is. Those types of things. That's what we do in these events. Or like I'm doing for this one, over the course of a couple weeks, I'm going to show what this is. Have you set a goal for yourself before? Have you failed before? That's what I'm going to be talking more about in this one. I'm going to have some of you coaches also share your stories and, how you've been changed on the inside out. We have a couple different scripts in here where you can find, just how to talk about that. I want you to use your own voice. Don't just be salesy and show all the videos of, Beachbody All Access and all that stuff. Of course, we will show that of how easy it is to take it anywhere. And we will show all those things, as far as that goes. But that's what this is for, because when we make it public, anytime that we post in here, not only do the people we invited see it, not only do their friends see it, but every time they make a post and their friends make a post, more and more and more and more people see it. And so, you can ask them to share it. You can give away prize it and ask them to share it. And so it builds and actually grows your network even more. So that is one way to generate excitement for your challenge groups.